Good afternoon, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am just gonna look at the quick view on the the index 75 volatility. I know everyone likes this index so much. It's because you can make a lot of money out of this index. In fact, all of them all of them they work the same, all of them they work the same otherwise. You've noticed that I was not sending a signal of the volatility on the group. It's because the signal of the index volatility, as you guys are receiving the signals here with us on the currencies. So I have two groups, the two groups that I work with, the group that I mentor, and these groups that of which you guys have subscribed for a signal for. So I work mostly on the volatility with the group that 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 I mentor. So which are the guys that receive the most of the signals on the volatility. Yeah, their subscription is not the same in a way. On the mentorship are the guys that I trained. They receive classes from me, and those are the guys which I work with the index volatility. We apologize for inconveniently. It's just that now the way we decided not to offer signals on this thing. But in the case, I'll try just to discuss few things, few signals with you on the V17 75. So we normally host a session, a live session with the guys just to discuss. So we trade it more live with these guys that I mentor. This thing of volatility index. Another thing, a few months back, we promised that we're gonna have a session, a live session, where we take trades, we analyze, we do everything. We're no longer gonna take that trade, especially with the signal group. We on the signal group, we're no longer doing that. So we do that with the guys that I mentor. We're gonna just begin to do live trade, live analysis, live everything. So if you need to go live with us every day, because I am a full-time trader, so I do these live sessions every day, especially the volatility. We'll be doing the live sessions every day. So if you need to join us in those sessions, you need to join our course. So you'll receive and be able to trade these indices with us every day. So I'm gonna look at this 75 for you as we are looking at it now with the guys in my group. So this is what is happening. We fell down here, and we expected eventually this one to come to our box, which is situated in this area. Let me just mark it quickly so that you might see it. The problem with this trading view of these binary options, it does not save the drawings. So now and then I have to redraw the drawings, something like that. So what I'm doing is what I'm doing with my guys in my group. We have been looking at this thing falling from this area here, had the big corrective structure, which is the triangle here. And after that, it has done this move over here, 1 2 3 up like that. So what we're expecting a move down like that, as I posted this on the group. So fortunately, yeah, we are on the 61. So what we're expecting now, we're expecting to watch this doing this. We're expecting to watch this doing this, a structure like that. Then from here, we believe that we're gonna have another move coming down like that with the volatility. Before we can even get the volatility going to the upside. We thought last time the volatility will turn over here. We thought last time the volatility will just turn completely over here and go upside with the harmonic pattern. But you know what? We traded that very well. No one has lost money. We just made profit. We took profit after we see the behavior of the waves, that the way they were generating in this area. Because you should monitor. You don't enter and just get out and not monitor what you are doing. So we were monitoring this thing coming up like that in three waves, dropping in three waves, then creating this bigger structure over here and going upside. So we took our profit over this side and activated the sell over this blue box. So while we activated the sell over this blue box, it pushed a little bit up. So we thought it's going for our stop loss, but it didn't. So it came a little bit down. So it came a little bit down. It came a little bit down, so we're in profit. So we're trading this very much amazingly in our group. We're trading it like as it was busy falling down in this area. We just took our profit at the 61, even though we targeted to go to this area, because either way, we decided that we know that we will get a corrective structure at the 61. Why the corrective structure? We will get a move like this one, so we should get a move like this one, depending what type of corrective structure we will get, as I indicated that on the signal that I've posted to you guys in the group. So we are getting exactly that. We are getting exactly that. We are not. We are getting exactly that. So if you look here, I just want to show you. If you look here, let's go to 10 minutes so that you maybe see what I'm talking about now. If you look here, the nice thing about this volatility, we don't wait for bigger structures. We trade everything. We trade everything. If you can look here, we've got a nice structure on the 10 minute here. We got a nice structure on the 10 minute over here. This is a structure that is currently playing on the 10 minute. The harmonic pattern, it is like that. Do you see the structure that is currently playing? You see the structure that is currently playing. We took a trade from here. We took a trade from here. So it bounced back. Now it's doing three wave. So I command my people to start taking their profit, in this area. Guys, you can take your profit in this area. So it's because the way this thing is going up, it can change. So we want something like that. Now we want something like this. We want something like this to come up to this level. We want something like that to come up to this level, because this can change. This can change. This can change. And if it changes, I'm going to update you. This can do this and come down like that. And come down like that. Maybe even to the low, or break the low before it goes up, and expect to take a profit at these highs. We're just going to watch that. We are watching. We took profit because we want to watch what's happening. It's not going nicely because it's supposed to shoot, give structure and then shoot, but it's busy doing something like this over here. So we want to see what's happening. The volatility is nice because you're playing it on a very small time frame. Let this go like that, let this go like that, and see what's happening. Even if it goes, we're gonna see what's happening. Either way, it's gonna give us a corrective structure. You can look, if you can look at this. Let's look at it at 5 minutes, and you'll see what's happening. we still offer the course at 500. Then you've got about lifetime mentorship. Though on our advert we said this is a 2-year thing. A mentorship with us is lifetime. So you work with us the rest of your life. We work together. We become a team the rest of the life. Look this. This is look this move over here. It got corrected. We are still having this move to the upside. So looking carefully into this one, you can see that we've got the head. So this is a nice head and shoulder. So it has broken the neck going upside, but we still need more confirmation before we can take it up. Before we can take it up, we can project the blue box anyway. Let's project the blue box first. Let's project the blue box. I'm gonna move the other levels that I've placed here just to avoid the clutter. I'll move these things just to avoid the clutter. Right. You look now. Let's wait for this thing to push to at least to give us an indication at 61. If we get a corrective structure at 61, we're gonna take this to the blue box. We're gonna take this to the blue box. So it can do another head and shoulder over here. It can go like this. Maybe come here, start correcting like this, coming to these levels over here. Give a correction that will push down like that, then upside like that to the blue box. So we can expect something like that right now. 75, we can't do anything. Just let this impulse push up, give a bigger corrective structure. Then we're gonna fly to the blue box. The crash, the boom, I don't have them here. I don't have them here. You can see here, I only have a list of this. The crash and the boom, I don't have them. So I don't know whether these are the crash and the booms, these ones. The bulls and the bears, they've got bulls and the bears. So I don't know whether it's a boom and a crash, but I don't have them here. I only have these ones. Let me show. Last time I checked the 100, it was busy falling like crazy, and we wanted it to give us a trade to the upside, but it looks like it's busy pushing up. I saw something on the 50. I think it's a 50, not on the 50. Which one was it? Oh, the 25. I think it was a 25. I saw something there. I saw something. I saw the market is ranging on the 25. So let's see it. Let's see it. I missed it. Damn, I missed it. Just few seconds, I missed this thing. The market was ranging. Then I saw that this thing is gonna push down. So automatically it breaks. So automatically it breaks. This will be more likely. We would be lucky if we get this. Like that. But if it doesn't test, as you can see here, it wants to range here. It can range. It can range, creating a nice signal. It can range, creating a nice signal. And after it's gonna push down like that. It's gonna push down like that. Five. That's the 5 minute time frame we're looking at. It is a 5 minute time frame we're looking at. We 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 need to have a proper setup before we can take it up or down. It break the low, it's breaking the lows now. You can see it's going down. You know what I expect from this pair as well? I expect to get a good signal in this area. Let me just mark this. We are watching this on the 10 minute. So we're gonna be a little bit patient for a proper setup here. So I assume we are in the corrective structure. We are in something like that, like that, that can push up to this level before it drops. That before it drops. Let's wait and see what's happening. I just saw it while it was here because the way this flag it was, so it was a little bit strange. I knew it's gonna push down. So you can see here, I wouldn't have the proper. This thing, if you spot a trade, you should sit in front of your laptop, wait for a breakout. Otherwise, you'll miss it. Because if it breaks fast. If it moves, it moves fast. That's the story with this shit. The only signal that is quite clear, it's a 75. The 75 is quite clear. It's quite clear. Look out for a 75, as I've mentioned. It's quite clear. As I said, you should at least come to this area. Then you might have some kind of divergence before we push down. 75 is quite clear. All right, cheers, guys. Enjoy. Have a safe trading. If you need to join our mentorship program or course, you can contact me via Telegram at Mtungwa F. You can contact me via Telegram so that you can get started. Then have a chance to trade these volatility indexes with us and the live sessions that you're gonna have. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Let me continue with my work. Yes.